Welcome to Fire Alarm Test 21. So let's begin. Right here I have this Ademco mechanical horn. This is just a rebrand. Wheelock originally makes this horn, and they call it the Wheelock 34. And that's the label right there. So, yeah. Usually horns like this are already hardwired. So I have some alligator clips on here. I'm going to probably make these permanent though. So I'm not going to be taking these off. So I'm not using these wires today. I'm just using the wires coming out of the back of this fire alarm. I just want to warn you all, this thing is loud. It's probably one of my loudest devices in the collection by far. It vibrates the entire workbench, like seriously. So that's about it for that horn. If we go over here, I have a Wheelock 6-inch bell. And I have this Gentex Commander 4 remote strobe. I have not used this on any fire alarm test yet, so that's why I chose this strobe specifically. Hold on. Wires were just a little bit tangled. I fixed it just a little bit. But anyways, if you have epilepsy, please don't watch this as this light will be flashing. And definitely turn your volume down as this is going to be a very loud system test. Especially the one horn. So we of course have the Silent Night BG12 as always, and I'm going to start by pulling this. Only the bell is going to go off, not the Commander 4 or Ademco horn yet. But brace yourself, because this is going to be loud. Wow, that was a loud one. I didn't even try talking because that horn was super loud. But it vibrated half of the entire workbench. And it was literally moving when I first turned it on, and I didn't want it to fall off the workbench. It's pretty durable though, since it's metal. But anyways, that is about going to do it for this fire alarm test. I hope you all enjoyed, and stay tuned for more.